how to fix Instagram down again. So if you're facing a problem with you've logged out of Instagram or logging out of Instagram and all of that, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection, because if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might be able to have that problem. So check your internet connection. If you have a stable internet connection, you just need to go for the browser or Google, anything that you're comfortable with. Go for a search engine and then tap on the search bar and search for Instagram down, and here you will have downdetector.com. You can simply go with that, tap on Instagram down, and from here you'll be able to see if Instagram is down or not. So if the Instagram is down, then you'll be having that problem of log out. But if your Instagram is not down and if it's working properly, then you just need to check your credentials, or you just need to change your password, reset your password, and try to log back into your account. Or simply go and restart your device. Press and hold on to that power button and restart your device, and after restarting, try to log back into your account and your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.